Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number B9426P. 12,000 miles, and this Grand Caravan comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black onyx in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you a balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Grand Caravan seats 7, leather interior. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor, as you see here. Third row seats 3. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power lift gate and sliding doors have pinch protection. Automatically reverse if anything gets in the way to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system. Keep child seats completely secure. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This SXT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 12,000 miles. Cruise control. Large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive. Never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Lots of storage space in the center console. Large dual glove boxes, overhead, auto dimming mirror, liftgate, sliding door controls, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.